Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. Yes, we're still here. I know I've been a little absent lately, probably for like a whole month, but at the end of December, I tried to take a little bit of time off, but then it was really hard for me to get back into the swing of things in January starting. So I have been a little out of the loop. I still keep up with everybody's projects and I absolutely love seeing all your crochet work, especially in my Facebook group, YARNutopia World. Everybody's been sharing such amazing projects and I personally am the one who approves all your posts, so I check them out first and then I approve them. So even if you don't get a comment from me, I want you to know that I still see everything. Sorry, I have a selfie stick actually. I can't find my tripod anywhere. I've been so disorganized. So I wrote a list to keep on track because this year we're not starting out so great. So let's talk about it. My office is a disaster. Good thing you can't see the floor. I need to clean up my studio and get tutorials back out for you guys because it's just been a long time. And I do have projects. I have projects finished. I have projects waiting to be finished. WIPs, work in progress. I have tutorials that I need to finish and post and half-finished projects. So one of my New Year's resolutions this year was to grab a project from my WIP basket that I never finished and finish it and share the tutorial with all of you. So that was one of my goals, is to try to do one a month. So this month is this scarf. It is a scrap scarf and it's just all random colors. I think I used like maybe 8 colors in here, 8 different colors in here, and it's just random, and it's all using Lion Brand yarns, Basic Stitch and Vanna's Choice. As you can see here, I love this Vanna's Choice yarn. It is like a super economical acrylic yarn that is great for projects like these scarves. They're extremely warm. But you can see all the ends I have to sew in, so I'm not looking forward to that, but I'm looking forward to getting this tutorial out for everybody. I just need to finish about a foot more, like 12 more inches, and this should be done, and I'll be able to film the tutorial and get it out for you. And then last night, I kind of got a little like sidetracked and distracted. Like who doesn't these days, right? So I grabbed this Mandala baby yarn. This is also Lion Brand yarn. Ooh, this is also Lion Brand yarn. Mandala baby in Pixie Hollow. Love this design, love this colorway, and it's just a nice striping. And I really like working with cakes. These are really nice. So I just have a little tiny triangle so far, but I'm making a large triangular shawl, another one. I love making triangular shawls, and Lion Brand is sponsoring this project, so I'm really excited to share this one with you. And that's going to come out probably hopefully by February, if I can get my act together and get motivated. Please help me get motivated. Let me know what you're working on. And I wanted to also ask, what projects have you finished in 2021 so far? We're only like 3 weeks in and I've made no progress. So 2021 is not starting out so great for me, but I am motivated to get started and get working on finishing these projects and get them out to you. I miss you guys so much. So that was one thing I wanted to talk about. Now, with taking basically a whole month off and kind of putting YARNutopia on the back burner, truly it's made me very sad and feel very lonely. And I don't want this video to be a downer or feel sorry for me, because I'm really trying to get my stuff together, but I've just been, I don't know, I feel like I lost my crojo and my motivation, and I've just been lonely. I think it's really hard dealing with, I have a toddler now. Nasser is almost 2 years old. He'll be 2 years old in June. Crazy, right? I wanted to start 2021 like new year, new me, and it's kind of the same. And also Nate, my husband, has been working insane hours, so he's really not home as much as he was last year. So it's really been kind of a struggle over on the home front of things, and I've been trying to keep the fort afloat here with Nasser, my son, and everything. And we did find out, like, at the end of last year, we all went to Rochester because our pediatrician for Nasser, sorry, I just spit. Our pediatrician for Nasser had suggested we go see a behavioral analyst doctor in Rochester. And Nasser is actually a little delayed in his cognitive language and his expressive language and receptive language. And so we are working with a speech pathologist and an occupational therapist weekly to get him to talk and get him his behavior a little under control. I know he's still very young and things change all the time with a toddler, and we're very, very hopeful that, and things are already changing. We've been now doing this since the beginning of this year, so for the three weeks already, we've been working with the speech pathologist and occupational therapist, and he is making huge strides, especially with sign language. So we learned a lot about Nasser and a lot about the psychology behind his behavior and how things are going. And it is very overwhelming, but it is also a relief, a huge relief that we have answers and we have the help that we need, because it has been difficult with having a toddler and having this business with YARNutopia. So now that we have a lot of help in our corner, I mean, we've always had help. We have always had so much support with our families and friends, but professional help now, we are very grateful for the fact that we can afford this and be able to get him the help that he needs so that he can one day say mama and actually mean it and refer to me instead of him babbling and not like making sense. So we started with food because he's very food motivated. So aren't we all? I was like, But yeah, we are doing like learning food names and things about food and like saying eat, the sign language, or more, or all done, things like that for meals right now. And he is making amazing strides. In 4 days, he's already doing it like without any without me like guiding him or anything. He's just doing it on his own now. He comes up to me and he says more, or he'll hand me his drink cup, and that mean like that's his language right now, is that that's what it means, is that he needs more drink or more food. So it's really cool to be able to communicate with him, and I hope that he continues to just make strides and just be super smart. He's so flippin' smart already. And he's so funny, and he's so big, and he has like 12 teeth, and he is running around. He's always running. He's so active. And that was one thing that they had discussed, is that he is extremely active for a toddler, and so he needs things that are sensory types of toys. So he's getting all kinds of furniture pieces. He has a big slide. If you've seen my Snapchats, you see that he is always active and always running around. And now I got him Grammy and Grampy, my mom and dad, got him a ball pit and a tunnel and a tent, and they all connect, and he's playing in the ball pit and he loves it. So he's having a good time. So we're trying to just work on language and get him up to speed with everything, because he's just a little delayed on that. And then also this year, I mean, like I said, I wanted to do like a new year, new me kind of situation. I've just been like a little unhappy with myself and how things are going and my health, I think. I've just been having some issues with my Crohn's disease and needing another surgery, but they want to wait for surgery, so it's a lot going on, not yarn related. So I'm here and I'm checking in on everybody, and I want to make you aware that I've not gone anywhere. And I check in every single day. I may not say anything, but just know I am watching. All of your amazing work is so incredible. You are all so incredibly talented. And for all the newbies who are part of the crochet community, welcome. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope that you're able to learn something from my tutorials and my patterns. And just stay tuned. You know, there's some amazing projects in the works that I do plan on sharing with you very soon. And just bear with me. I appreciate all your patience and all your love and support. You guys are so wonderful. So on that note, I should close this. I do want to make one announcement that there will be no punny Valentines this year. We've kind of burnt out on punny Valentines, so I'll be resharing some of the old punny Valentines. I know you guys love those so much, but we've done 5 years of punny Valentines. That's like 70 projects. And so we've kind of burnt out on that. And I'm almost done. Sorry. My husband's like, I gotta go to work. So I just want to wrap this up and say thank you to everybody who's watching and stayed with me this long. And I promise new amazing things will be on the horizon for all of us. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, great rest of your week, and I'll check in with you next week. Happy hooking. Okay, sorry. I know I'm not in my office anymore, but I totally forgot to show you the coolest thing that I did last year for my 30th birthday. I ended up getting my first tattoo, which I was so excited about. So I want to show you. I don't know if it's a good angle. Don't look at my mess. But this is my new tattoo. Here, let me put my... There we go. Can you see it? So in the center there, it says Nasser in Arabic calligraphy, and this is my new tattoo. It's a little, it's healing still because I just went a week ago to get it shaded in. It was all just lines, and now the tattoo artist at Gold Heart Tattoo, he shaded it in, and it looks so fabulous. And I just have 2 hours left to finish it completely, and then it's done. And I've already planned out my next tattoo. So I'm really in love with it. It looks so fabulous. It is healing, and but I'm really loving it. So I just wanted to share that super positive note with you, because I feel like I was a little bit of a downer, but I'm not like this normally. You guys, you know, I'm a super happy, fun-loving person that I don't know, I feel like 2020 got to us all. So I'm glad it's over, and I'm glad that we are in a new year, and there are just so many great things on the horizon, and I'm so glad to share it with all of you. So thanks again, everybody, for watching. I'll see you later. Happy hooking.